What do you think of the steak, Granny?
I think it looks amazing. It looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The colour, the marbling is very important. I'll cut off a little bit of fat, put it on the pan. So there's really no need for oil. You know, if you use a little bit of the fat from the steak, and with salt, sea salt. I don't put pepper on because some people don't like pepper, so I think it's better not to. Now we're ready. So I'll just put in a little fat to sort of boil the pan a little bit before putting the steak in. Oh, it's so important to have a really hot pan. So you can hear it sizzling there, so it's getting nice and warm now. So we can put on the steak. Yeah, that's what it's perfect now. Nice warm plate. This is the fillet. And you can see how tender it is because it's already, you know, without any knife cutting, it's just falling apart like that, which is amazing.
Well, proof of the pudding is in the eating.
Yeah. Delicious.
Delicious. Am I going to get any?
I'll share.
Will you share?
With you.
Let's see. Oh my god. It just melts in your mouth, doesn't it?
It does. It's so tasty.
You can have that fatty bit over there. A little bit. Good. Thank you. And that's it. So this is a heifer that was born and bred on our farm. We took her to the abattoir about 20 kilometres away, and then Pat Barry, the butcher who we met earlier, processes her, and Granny or anyone who comes to the farm shop can pick up the steak and try it for themselves. Oh, so good.